Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us. Today we are drawing quarterback and rising superstar Daniel Jones of the New York Giants. Daniel Jones was selected 6th overall in 2019 to the New York Giants, played for Duke University, and is a rising superstar in the NFL right now, and we've had a few requests from our fans for Daniel Jones. So let's get started. Grab your dark marker. Find the center of your paper, up and down, the center of your paper across, and then we're gonna go up in this middle and draw Daniel Jones' big cartoon head right here. So here we go, we'll start with that pointed tip, and we'll do the jaw, kind of goes out and down, square off, up, and in. So as you see, the jaw kind of goes down, out, flattens out, rounds up, and we'll do a couple big ears right here. 1, 2. They're basically ovals. We'll do the outline of the hair. It's going to go out, rounded up, and down to the ear. Okay, see how that works there? Okay, we'll do a couple of eyes. 1 oval. Another oval right there. We'll do a nose, sideways raindrop, sideways raindrop, nostril, nostril. Okay, now his mouth is gonna go down, up. So watch this, he's got a smile. So down, up, and down. We've exaggerated these two sides because we were looking at the picture of Daniel Jones smiling. He kind of the side of his mouth kind of turns up and turns up when he smiles. So here we go. We'll go down, flatten it out, and connect. And here we go. We'll color the inside of his mouth black right there. A couple of smile lines. His teeth go straight across, bump, and a bump for the tongue. We're going to color the inside of that mouth dark right there. We'll come back and color that tongue either red or pink in a minute. We'll do a lip under there. So on the eyes, let's go up here and do the eyes. We'll do a big circle. Big circle. Those are going to stay white. We'll do another smaller circle. That will stay white as well. Those are the highlights of the eyes. And we'll do an arch. We're actually going to color the inside of that arch brown. But first we'll color this area black in with our dark marker. Kind of fill that in. These are cartoons. We're just having fun with these characters. They don't need to be perfect. And I'm going to quickly grab a brown marker just to fill in this area right here, because Daniel Jones has brown eyes, so we'll fill those in with brown. Okay, next we will do the neck. We'll do Daniel Jones' neck. Find the ear area, come straight down, find this ear, straight down to a point, and up to that neck. There we go. Let's do the shoulder pads really quick. A bump, rounded shoulders, rounded shoulders. Now we're going to come down to a waist here. So down to the waist of Daniel Jones, straight across, connect to that shoulder pad. Let's do a football right here. He's holding his football. Curve out to make that football shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles on the end of that, the edge of that football. Those are the fingers. Here's his thumb. Down, that's the elbow. The elbow goes into the football, and the forearm goes into the football. Okay? So he's holding that football right there. So his other arm over here will go down, down to the elbow, down, and kind of go into a skinnier wrist area. Make a thumb, finger, 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 and finger into the wrist. Here's a towel on his waist. Down for the legs and up, down and up into the waist. Okay. 1, 2 for the leg. 1, 2 for the other leg, and connect it. Connect both of those ankles. Now we're gonna do these big clown shoes. That's the tongue of the shoe. We do the clown shoes because these are cartoons. We like to over-exaggerate some of the features, and it's kind of fun just to have a little fun. So 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelace. We're going to come out to the edge of the page and down. Straight across to the ankle and stop. And connect to the leg. Same thing, bring that leg down. Straight across to the edge of the page. Up and to the shoelaces. All right, we have Daniel Jones blocked out pretty much. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab a brown, this brown marker again. We'll just kind of block out his hair up here. He has dark brown hair, so we'll go up, swoops over kind of in this round hairdo. There we go. And we'll color that in brown in our fast forward. Let's do his eyebrows. They're straight across, up, up, and connect down to a point. Come straight across and down to a point. So you can color those eyebrows in if you want here. Brown hair for Daniel Jones. Okay, cool, looking good. So let's quickly do, I'm gonna grab a red marker, bright red, and we are gonna do the number, actually we'll do the stripes. Come down. This is the collar. Okay, so there's gonna be this red on the inside and red on the outside with white in the middle, okay? So we'll do a red stripe here on the inside, red stripe here, and we'll leave that middle section white. And same thing over on this sleeve. Go down and stop. There's a bigger red section right here and a white section on the edge of the jersey. So we'll leave that area white, leave that area big and red. So same thing over here. Big red stripe and a white, smaller white section right there. And over here we'll do skinny red stripe on the side of the pants. Another skinny red stripe, so we have to go behind that towel, right? So there we go. And we'll do a red arch for the shoes, red arch for the shoes, and I'll come back and color this in red. I'm just gonna mark it so you know. And fast forward, watch for that. But let's focus on this number 8. So in red, we're gonna do straight across, angle down, straight down, angle in, angle out, okay? Straight down, angle in, and we're gonna connect right there, okay? Now inside we'll do some squares. Square on top, square on the bottom, and that we're just gonna thicken up this red outline for the number 8. Make it a little wider so we can see it jump out against the blue jersey. you want. Okay, so here we go. We are going to get a blue marker here just to show you. We'll do a blue sleeve. This will be blue. Blue sleeve, that'll be blue. This jersey will be blue. We'll do a blue stripe. Blue stripe. Blue socks. Blue shoes, blue socks. Where else? Oh, and blue stripe right here. We'll leave these pants white. Okay, so we're ready to color Daniel Jones in fast forward mode. And here we go. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know on TikTok, Instagram, Patreon, who else you'd like us to draw. Who are your favorite baseball, basketball, football players? Right now, fast forward Daniel Jones.